Hi, this is Raj from MR Sportscars. Here I've got a stunning Aqua Blue Metallic 997 4S Coupe. Porsche 911, it's a 2009, registered in March 2009. My favourite of all the Porsche colours, I think, Aqua Blue Metallic. Just look at that shine. Just absolutely incredible in this light. Sort of winter afternoon light here in the UK. So it's the wide body, so it's 4.4 centimeters wider than a Carrera S or a Carrera. Just the 4 models, the 4S and the 4s, have this wider body. LED rear lights. Has the 3.8 litre DFI, 385 horsepower. No stresses about bore scoring, IMS issues. None of those issues apply to this model because they updated the engine in 2009, completely redesigned it to cover all those issues that had cropped up in 2008 earlier 911s. The factory option list is huge on this car. So it has PDLS, which is the headlights that rotate as you go around a corner. Daylight running LEDs, 19-inch sport design wheels, which are in as new condition. It has the optional Porsche switchable exhaust. So it's the sports exhaust, which you can make loud or quiet depending on your preference. It's a coupe without a sunroof, so very desirable. Okay, first of all, I mean, as I said, the options list is absolutely huge in this car. It's two-tone, special order two-tone leather, which was, I think, almost £2,500 on its own. So it's stone grey seats, stone grey carpets, but then extended black leather dash, tops of the doors. The rear seats are obviously grey as well. It was optioned with grey seat belts to match. As standard they would have been black, and also it has Bose, so it has that subwoofer there in the back there, and I think it's in total 10 speakers. Actually, it might be 12 speakers, I lose track. They all have slightly different numbers of speakers, but it's the 485 watt Bose digital surround sound system. It has all of the universal audio interface, so it's all the different connections to connect everything in there. Sat nav, obviously, phone prep, so it has the SIM card slot, which is just there, but it also has Bluetooth, and then it has all of the option buttons for driving. So it's a PDK car, so it has the 7-speed ZF semi-automatic, which works in full auto, full manual, or a combination of the two. It has a multifunction steering wheel, Sport Chrono Package Plus, so it has the stopwatch there. It also has the Sport Plus button there as a result. PASM comes as standard on these, so it's switchable suspension, sits 10mm lower than a car without PASM. Then it has the switchable sports exhaust there, button there, full air conditioning. It has the heated seats as well. And what are the other special options? The mats, this may not sound very exciting, but to me it is. They are leather edged. That was another option, special mats with leather edging to them, and they're in as new condition, even the driver's one. I'm protecting it here with a rubber overmat, but yeah, it's as new under there as well. Stainless steel door entry guards, but they're also illuminated, so these bits light up at night. And I'll show you a picture of that right now, flash up over the screen so you can see what that looks like at night. As I said, it's got Bose, so it's got that there. Multifunction steering wheel. Now, some people might say, well, this car should have, it's also got sports seats. So the hardback sports seats, which are in great condition. Even the bolsters there are in good condition. Embossed headrests. Alcantara headlining, which is standard on these cars. Has the rain sensor and the auto dimming mirrors. It's covered 74,751 miles. We are putting it in for a service on Monday. Today is Friday, so it's a major service we're going to have done with Porsche Care. This car's got a full Porsche history, Porsche Main Dealer, but we use Porsche Care, Porsche Specialist, and they're going to do a major service, including spark plugs, auxiliary drive belt and brake fluid, and they'll check over the whole car as well, make sure everything's as it should be. Now, some people might say that because of all these sports options, why hasn't it got the sport design steering wheel, which is something you can retrofit if you want to, but this car has the multi-function steering wheel, so you can control basically a lot of the PCM functions. You can answer phone, pick up phone, hang up phone calls without leaving your taking your hands off the steering wheel. You can also change the volume of the stereo, change what's on the stereo. All of that stuff can be done, but also it has, I don't know if it will show up here, steering wheel heating. So there's a little button just behind the spoke there. I'm not sure if it was too dark to show you that. So this all heats up and it is phenomenal. I mean, if you've never tried a heated steering wheel, I recommend you try one in a car. You will not want a car without a heated steering wheel, especially in winter in the UK. Having tried one of them, there's not many of these cars that were spec with that, so it's a very special option here that this car's got. Two-way electric hardback sport seats. I'll show you the engine bay. So that's all clean and fresh as it should be. Very, very good condition. Also has the optional rear wiper, which is very useful for all year round. Show you from here. I mean, the colours actually are great together. The blue with grey with black. Fantastic optional set of colours. I'll show you the front boot as well. So everything is as it should be. All the tools are down there. I won't show you that right now. But I will show you the battery. Porsche battery. So if you wanted to put this car back on Porsche warranty, you can do. It comes with 6 months in-house warranty with me, MR Sportscars. So we will cover any warranty work at a specialist of your choice or our specialist Porsche Care, depending on where you are in the country. I think that's all the options covered. Air conditioning and everything works as it should. Chrono works, PDK works phenomenally as well. I actually sold this car January 2020, so a year ago, to the current owner. It's now got 4 previous owners rather than 3, and yeah, it's just a stunning car. I mean, these kinds of cars I'm always very happy to take back if someone's looking to upgrade or even move to a different marque. So yeah, if you're interested in this lovely 4S, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thanks for watching.